Yeah. From the load shedding to the late night labs. Mr. Student Worldwide on the track. No lie, no problem. T-Day still locked in. Hostel Avengers on the scene tonight. One time for the UPS gang, two time for the deadline fan. If the power cuts now, we still go exam. No light, no problem. Squad still online. We went crazy, but the vibe's still fine. Wi-Fi gone, hotspot full send. Pakistani student never breaks, just bend. Yeah, cheese, hands up, no cap, scene on, head high, we don't take a nap. No sleep, big dream, keep that pace. Student life is a glitch, but we own this race. No light, no problem.
No lie. No lie.
No problem.
No lie.
Yeah, cheese, yeah, cheese. No problem.
No lie.
Yeah, class start 8, power cut 9. Teacher still says, quiz on time. Fan off, sweat drip, still we right. Brain on lag, but the grind stays tight. Back bench squad.